Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Hey, keep your hands where you can see them.
Keep your hands where you can see them. Step out of the vehicle. You know your car's messed up. Just get out of the car.
I'm not a professional.
Step out of the vehicle. We'll let you know right now. Get out. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Look at your windshield. Come on.
Okay, what's the reason?
Get out of your car.
Step out of the car. So we can deal with it. Step out of the car, sir. I'm asking you nicely. I'm asking you nicely.
I have my rights.
I'm asking you nicely.
I have my rights.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
97, Roger.
I have my rights, sir.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
Sir, I have my rights, sir.
Step out right now.
Why is he pulling me out of my
I'm
car?
gonna pull you out as well. Okay?
Why are you pulling me out of my car?
Step out of the
You
vehicle.
better not reach for anything.
What am I reaching for?
All right.
Get out of the car.
Go.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
No guns or knives? Step out of the vehicle.
Come on, man.
Step out of the vehicle. Come on.
Hey,
Get out. I'm
Step
telling
out.
you.
Hold on.
Step out of the vehicle.
Hey, why am I resisting? Why are you pulling me out of my car for?
Step
I'm
out of the
telling you.
vehicle.
I'll explain to you right now, bro.
Taser standby. Taser standby.
on.
You're gonna get tased. It's gonna hurt. Step out of the
Why are you
vehicle.
taking me? Why
Step
you?
out of the table. Step out of
Dude,
the
it's
car.
a traffic stop. Why are you pulling me over?
Step out of the car.
What
Step
the
out of the
fuck?
car.
I have my rights, sir.
Get out.
No, sir. No.
It's gonna hurt. Get him.
What the fuck wrong with you motherfuckers on?
You gotta listen, man.
What the fuck wrong with you fools, huh? Watch out, fool.
Any unit in the vicinity, 459 is
Hey, watch
requesting
your
a
weight on me,
backup air
man.
unit
Watch your weight on
and
me.
Supervisor
Get off of me.
Alhambra and Johnson.
Tuck. Hey, girl, on me, bro.
We're trying to get his dick out of the car.
Hold on.
All units
Hey, what the fuck is wrong with you motherfuckers, huh? Why the fuck are you doing this shit for, huh? Hey, what the fuck is wrong with you, huh?
Stop resisting.
Who the fuck is resisting, puto?
Stop resisting.
Shut the fuck up, resisting. You guys are fucking up, huh?
Close the door. Close the door.
You guys are fucking up, person.
Shouldn't reach, man.
Reach for what? Who the fuck is reaching, huh?
Yeah, you're reaching for the center.
What the fuck you
got this,
mean
huh?
reaching, huh? Who the fuck is reaching,
Turn on
huh?
the side.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You got him?
What the fuck, dog? You fools are tripping, dog.
I got it. Hey, man.
Good?
All right, face on. Face him.
All units
All right, take it easy, man. You're handcuffed now, all right?
All right. We're good?
Relax.